Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This session is for Sanskritam, Ashtama Vargaha, Apatita Avabodhanam, Apatita Gadyamsham. Apatita Gadyamsham. Before entering into the topic, we'll discuss about what is Gadyamsham. Generally, our chapters will be categorized into three parts: Gadyamsham, Padyamsham, and Natyamsham. What is Gadyamsham? Gadyamsham is a prose part. Padyamsham is a poetical part. And Natyamsham is a dramatical part. Patita Gadyamsham. What is Patitam? Patitam is read. A passage will be from your textbook which is read already. Whereas Apatitam is unread, which will not be from your textbook, so that it's a general topic or a common topic. Since the Patita Gadyamsham is from your textbook, it is read already and easy to attend the question. Whereas when it comes to Apatitam is unread, which is not read already, and the topic is in general. So that it is not tough, it is little bit interesting and exciting also what will be the passage in your question paper. Then, what is the use of this type of question in your paper? Because this type of question helps us to understand that in which level we are in that particular language, whether it may be an English or Hindi or even Tamil. In fact, getting full marks in this type of questions shows the strength of us in that particular language. Now we'll discuss about what are all the do's and don'ts with respect to this Apatita Gadyamsham. As soon as you see the passage in the question paper, you have to read once or twice or even n number of times based on your understanding capacity. In Apatita Gadyamsham, below the passage, you'll be having three type of questions. The first type, Eka Padena Uttarata. The second type, Eka Vakyena Uttarata. And the third type, Nirdeshanusaram Uttarata or Bhashika Karyam. Coming to the first type, Eka Padena Uttarata. Padam is a term or Padam is a word. With the single word, you have to answer. Eka Padena means with a single word. With the single word, you have to answer. Then, since you haven't understood the passage clearly, it is not that you can proceed with the single sentence instead of a single word. Then you will be losing your marks. Then, Eka Vakyena Uttarata. Vakyam is a sentence and Eka Vakyena means with the single sentence you have to answer. Here, you can either proceed with a single sentence or more than a single sentence according to the requirement of the question. Then, coming to the Bhashika Karyam or Nirdeshanusaram Uttarata, this is the part which decides your grammatical strength, because all the four questions will be from your grammar part. Let us consider a passage as an example. Moving to the passage. Let me read the passage first. Apatita Gadyamsham. Apatita Gadyamsham patitva prashnan uttarata. Vishwamitraha ekaha kshatriyaha nrupaha asit. Tasya balena sarve bhayabhitaha bhavanti sma. Ekada saha munehe vasishtasya ashramam agachat. Munihi tasya ativa sammanam akarot. Ashrame Vishwamitraha Nandini iti namnaha dhenam apashyat. Tasyaha rupam gunan cha drushtva tasya manasi lobhaha jagrataha bhavat. Saha Vashishtam tam dhenam ayachata param Vashishtena asvikritam. Tada krodhavashat Vishwamitraha swasainikan tam dhenam hartam adishtavan. Vashishtaha nirbhayaha bhutva avadat. Kopi mama ajñam vina yenam spashtamapi na shaknoti iti. Vishwamitraha Vashishtasya atmabalam društva vismitaha bhavat. Saha anayasam avadat. Digbalam kshatriya balam brahma tejo balam balam. Digbalam kshatriya balam brahma tejo balam balam. Tat paschat Vishwamitraha ghora tapasyam krutva brahma tejam prapnot. Now we'll repeat the sentence. Now we'll repeat the paragraph. Vishwamitraha ekaha kshatriyaha nrupaha asit. Tasya balena sarve bhayabhitaha bhavanti sma. Ekada saha munehe Vashishtasya ashramam agachat. Munihi tasya ativa sammanam akarot. Ashrame Vishwamitraha Nandini iti namnaha dhenam apashyat. तस्याः रूपं गुणान् च दृष्ट्वा तस्य मनसि लोभः जागृतः अभवत्। सः वसिष्ठं तां धेनुम् अयाचत, परं वसिष्ठेन अस्वीकृतं। तदा क्रोधवशात् विश्वामित्रः स्वसैनिकान् तां धेनुं हर्तुम् आदिष्टवान्। वसिष्ठः निर्भयः भूत्वा अवदत्, कोऽपि मम आज्ञां विना एनां स्पष्टमपि न शक्नोति इति। विश्वामित्रः वसिष्ठस्य आत्मबलं दृष्ट्वा विस्मितः अभवत्। सः अनायासम् अवदत्, दिग्बलं क्षत्रियबलं ब्रह्मतेजो बलं बलं। दिग्बलं क्षत्रियबलं ब्रह्मतेजो बलं बलं। तत्पश्चात् विश्वामित्रः घोरतपस्यां कृत्वा ब्रह्मतेजं प्राप्नोत्। Now we'll see the meaning of this paragraph. विश्वामित्रः एकः क्षत्रियः नृपः आसीत्. एकः one क्षत्रियः belong to क्षत्रिय community. नृपः king आसीत् was. Vishwamitra was a kshatriya king. Tasya his balena by the strength sarve all bhayabhitaha frightened bhavanti sma became. All were frightened by his strength. Ekada once. Saha he munehe of sage Vashishtasya of Vashishta ashramam hermitage agachat went. Once he went to Vashishta's hermitage. Munihi sage tasya his ativa very much sammanam honored akarot did. The sage honored him very much. Ashrame in the hermitage. Ashrame in the hermitage. Vishwamitraha Nandini iti as. Namnaha by the name. Namnaha by the name. Dhenum cow. Apashyat saw. Vishwamitra saw a cow named Nandini in his hermitage. Tasyaha her. Rupam beauty or appearance. Gunan characteristics. Cha and. Drushtva having seen. Tasya his. Manasi in the mind. Lobhaha greedy. Jagrataha raised. Abhavat became. Having seen the beauty and characteristics of a cow, a greedy thought raised in his mind. Saha he Vashishtam to Vashishta tam that dhenum cow ayachata asked. Param but Vashishtena by Vashishta asvikritam refused. He asked the cow from Vashishta, but he refused to give. Tada then Krodhavashat influenced by anger Vishwamitraha Swasainikan to his army tam that dhenum cow hartum to hurt adishtavan commanded or ordered. Since Vishwamitra was influenced by the anger, he commanded his army to hurt that cow. Vashishtaha Nirbhayaha without fear Bhutva became. Avadat said, Kopi anybody mama my ajnam command vina without enam this spashtum to touch api even na shaknoti cannot iti as. The fearless Vashishta said, without my command nobody can touch her even. Vishwamitraha Vashishtasya atmabalam drishtva. Vashishtasya of Vashishta atmabalam spiritual strength drishtva having seen. Vismitaha wondered or surprised. Abhavat became. Saha he anayasam without effort. Avadat said, Dhik an interjection of displeasure. Kshatriya balam the strength of Kshatriya. Brahma tejaha the power and glory of Brahma. Balam strength. Tat paschat after that or then. Vishwamitraha ghora tapasyam terrible penance krutva having done. Brahma tejam the power of Brahma. Prapnot obtained. Vishwamitraha became surprised having seen the spiritual strength of Vashishta. What a pity, a strength of Kshatriya. What a pity, a strength of Kshatriya. But the spiritual strength is the real strength. But the spiritual strength is the real strength. Then Vishwamitra had performed a severe penance and he had obtained the spiritual strength. Now we'll read the questions. Ekapadena uttarata. Ekapadena with a single word. Uttarata answer. Ekapadena uttarata answer in a single word. Kasya balena sarve bhayabhitaha bhavanti sma. Kasya whose balena by the strength. Sarve all bhayabhitaha frightened. Bhavanti sma became. By whose strength everyone were frightened. By whose strength everyone were frightened. Vishwamitraha Vashishtam the Vashishta Kham to whom Ayachata asked. To whom Vishwamitra asked the Vashishta. Purna Vakena Uttarata. Purna Vakena with the full sentence. Uttarata answer. Answer in a full sentence. Or Eka Vakena Uttarata. Eka Vakena in a single sentence. Uttarata answer. Answer in a single sentence or answer in a full sentence. Vashishtaha Kim Avadat. Kim what Avadat said. What Vashishta said. Second question. Vismitaha bhutva Vishwamitraha kim avadat. Vismitaha wondered or surprised. Bhutva having became. Kim what Avadat said. What Vishwamitra said having became wondered. Moving to the next set of questions. Nirdeshanusaram uttarata. Uttarata answer Nirdeshanusaram as directed. Answer to the directed questions. The first question. Adishtavan iti kriyapadasya kartrupadam kim. Adishtavan commanded or ordered iti as kriyapadasya of verb kartrupadam subject kim what. What is the subject of the given verb adishtavan? Second question. Tasyaha rupam gunan cha atra tasyaha iti sarvanamasthane sabjnapadam kim. Tasyaha her rupam beauty gunan characteristics cha and atra here. Tasyaha her iti as sarvanamasthane in place of pronoun. Sabjnapadam noun. Kim what. Her beauty and characteristics. Here what is the noun of a given pronoun her. Here what is the noun of a given pronoun her. Third question. Vidhaya having done. Iti as arthe in the meaning. Atra here. Kim what. Padam term or word. Proktam used. What term is used at here in the meaning of vidhaya? Fourth question. Ekada once. Saha he. Munehe of sage. Vashishtasya of Vashishta. Ashramam to hermitage. Agachat went. Ekada saha munehe Vashishtasya ashramam agachat. Once he went to the hermitage of Vashishta. Atra here. Visheshana padam adjective. Kim what. What is an adjective here? Once he went to the hermitage of Vashishta. What is an adjective here? Now we'll see the Shabdarthaha. Ekaha, one. Kshatriyaha, one who belonged to Kshatriya community. Nripaha, king. Asit, was. Tasya, his. Balena, by the strength. Sarve, all. Bhayabhitaha, frightened. Bhavantisma, became. Ekada, once. Saha, he. Munehe, of sage. Vashishtasya, of Vashishta. Ashramam, to hermitage. Agachat, went. Munihi, sage. Ativa, very much. Sammanam, honored. Akarot, did. Ashrame, in the hermitage. Iti, as. Namnaha, by the name. Dhenum, the cow. Apashyat, saw. Tasyaha, her. Rupam, appearance or beauty or form. Gunan, characteristics. Cha, and. Saha, he. Drishtva, having seen. मनसि in the mind, lobhaha greedy, jagrataha raised, abhavat became, tam her, ayachata asked, param but, vashishtena by Vashishta, asvikritam refused, tada then, krodhavashat influenced by anger, krodhavashat influenced by anger, swasainikan to his army or own army, hartum to hurt, adishtavan commanded or ordered, nirbhayaha nirbhayaha without fear, bhutva became, avadat said, kopi anybody, mama my, ajnam order, vina without, enam this, spashtum to touch, api even, न शक्नोति cannot, वशिष्ठस्य of Vashishta, atmabalam spiritual strength, दृष्ट्वा having seen, vismitaha wondered or surprised, anayasam without effort, dhik an interjection of displeasure, balam strength, kshatriya balam power of army or power of kshatriyas, brahma tejaha power and glory of Brahma, tat paschat after that, ghora tapasyam terrible penance, tat paschat after that, ghora tapasyam terrible penance, prapnot obtained. Now we'll read the meaning of the paragraph. Vishwamitra was a Kshatriya king. Everyone were frightened by his strength. Once he went to Vashishta's hermitage. The sage honored him very much. Vishwamitra saw a cow named Nandini in his hermitage. Having seen the beauty and characteristics of a cow, a greedy thought arose in his mind. He asked the cow from the Vashishta, but he refused to give. Since the Vishwamitra was influenced by the anger, he commanded his army to hurt that cow. The fearless Vashishta said, Without my command, nobody can touch her even. Without my command, nobody can touch her even. Vishwamitra became surprised having seen the spiritual strength of Vashishta. What a pity, the strength of Kshatriya. But the spiritual strength is the real strength. But the spiritual strength is the real strength. Then Vishwamitra had performed a severe penance and he had obtained the spiritual strength. Since we have discussed the meaning of the paragraph and questions, now we'll directly move to the answers. Ekapadena uttarata. Kasya balena sarve bhayabhitaha bhavanti sma. Vishwamitrasya. Vishwamitraha Vashishtam kam ayachata. Dhenum. Purnavakena uttarata. Vashishtaha kim avadat. Vashishtaha avadat. Kopi mama ajñam vina yenam spashtumapi na shaknoti iti. Second question. विस्मितः भूत्वा विश्वामित्रः किम् अवदत्. विस्मितः भूत्वा विश्वामित्रः अवदत् यत् दिग्बलं क्षत्रियबलं ब्रह्मतेजो बलं बलम्. दिग्बलं क्षत्रियबलं ब्रह्मतेजो बलं बलम्. निर्देशानुसारम् उत्तरत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आदिष्टवान् इति क्रियापदस्य कर्तृपदं किम्. विश्वामित्रः. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. तस्याः रूपं गुणान् च. अत्र तस्याः इति सर्वनामस्थाने किं संज्ञापदम्. तस्याः रूपं गुणान् च. अत्र तस्याः इति सर्वनामस्थाने संज्ञापदं किम्. धेनोः. धेनोः. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. विधाय. विधाय इति अर्थे अत्र किं पदं प्रोक्तम्. कृत्वा. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. एकदा सः मुनेः वशिष्ठस्य आश्रमम् अगच्छत्. अत्र विशेषणपदं किम्. मुनेः. With this we have completed our topic. The same passage will not be present in your question paper. We have to practice a lot on various passages so that will become strength in Apatita Gadyamsham. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you.